Here's a V-mount battery system kit by Blueshape. This one's a rental, but this one comes in a little pouch. Open it up. Here's the V-mount charger that is built into the pouch. And this is the Blueshape V-mount 90 watt-hour battery. The 90 watt-hours are, I believe, one of the largest V-mount batteries that you can bring on an airplane. Anything bigger than 100, depending on the airlines, you cannot bring on an airplane at all. But the 90, you could bring. It has battery indicator, 2 D-taps, one there, and that's it. Before this, I have the IDX Endura Duro 95 watt-hour V-mount battery. I really like the IDX. This was a good buy for me. I purchased this. It's $230-ish, depending on where you get it. Battery indicator. And what I like about this one, it has 2 D-taps, and it also has a USB out, so you can charge your USB devices. There's a size difference between the two, which is another advantage with the IDX. The IDX, I've seen some smaller V-mount batteries that are coming out now, but this one, when I was looking around, was the smallest and lightest that I could find that had all these features on it, versus the Blueshape, where it's pretty big and heavy compared to the IDX. And there are a lot of other V-mount batteries that are similar in size to the Blueshape. One thing I like about the IDX that is not on the Blueshape is that it has, you can charge the IDX via the D-tap. So I have this AC charger, wall unit charger, that was also kind of expensive, but not as expensive as a V-mount charger. The difference that you pay for with the size is that, and since this is cheaper, it takes a little longer to charge, so you would be charging this all night, versus this Blueshape charger here charges the battery fairly fast. On my shoot that I was on the 3rd bar or the 2nd bar, and within a couple hours it was fully charged. So this is the V-mount battery. I am becoming a big user now of V-mount batteries to power my cameras and my camera accessories like my monitor and maybe a light. It's been very useful, and in the future, if I ever upgrade to a V-mount battery camera, I could just mount it on and I'll have them. But right now I use them to power my smaller cameras via the D-taps. And the Blueshape is really good, and IDX is, for me, better.